Hello my friends! Today I will show you how to crochet an easy snowflake ornament. It's worked in the round and uses only chain stitches, slip stitches and double crochet. Pattern for this crochet snowflake was first published as a part of my snowflake collection, so go to my website to see more. All of the snowflake patterns are available for free and the links are in the description down below. For this tutorial I used DMC cotton yarn with a 2.5mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn with a corresponding hook. To start, you need to make 6 chain stitches and form a loop. You can also use magic ring technique if you're familiar with it. To form a loop with your chain, make a slip stitch in the first chain stitch. I inserted my hook from the back. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell button to never miss a video. Now chain 3, yarn over and insert your hook into the big loop. Pull the yarn and work a double crochet. So pull through 2 loops and through another 2. Yarn over again and make another double crochet right next to it. Now make 2 chain stitches and work 3 double crochet stitches. This is your repeatable module. 3 double crochets and 2 chain stitches. Repeat it 4 more times so that you've got 6 triads of double crochet stitches. Your turning chain from the beginning of the row counts as a double crochet. You may want to use your fingers to move the stitches closer together. Don't worry, there is enough space for all of them to fit, just squeeze them lightly. After you've worked the last double crochets, you need 2 chain stitches again. To finish off this round, make a slip stitch into the top stitch of the turning chain. Chain 3, this is your turning chain. Yarn over and aim for the nearest chain space. Next you are going to work your stitches in the chain spaces that you see here. Work 3 double crochet stitches there, make 5 chain stitches and work another 3 double crochets in the same chain space. Here I'm working in my last chain space. As you can see, I've got 3 double crochets, 5 chains, but on the left is my turning chain. It will work as 1 double crochet, so what I need to end this round is another 2 double crochet stitches. Now you can close the round with a slip stitch right into this big nice chain space. On to the last round. We need to move a little bit to the left, so we are going to work 3 slip stitches. Make the first 2 of them into double crochets, just like I show you here, and work the last one into the chain space. Now we are in the right position to start the round properly, so to speak. Make 2 chain stitches and work 2 double crochets into the chain space. Now make 3 chains and work another 3 double crochets in the same space. Use your fingers to move the stitches to one side, because that's just half of them that sits inside this chain space. Make 5 chain stitches and repeat what you did on the other side. So make 3 double crochet stitches, 3 chains, and again 3 double crochets. Your repeatable module for this row is 3 double crochets, 3 chains, 3 double crochets, 5 chains, 3 double crochets, 3 chains, 3 double crochets. Now you need to repeat it in big chain space, so 5 more times. Go on with this and I will meet you at the end of the row. You are almost done. The last thing we've got to do is to make a slip stitch in the top of the turning chain. Your snowflake is ready. Now cut the yarn, secure it, and give your ornament a nice blocking session. This one looks quite nice, but it still needs to be blocked and stiffened so that it's symmetrical and keeps the shape. To see how I block and stiffen my crochet pieces, please see my other video or read an article on my website. All the links are in the description box below.